Hey guys, we're gonna go through a couple of things that you should be doing to make money in real estate, maybe today. Okay, let's get into it. I walk into my office today, I see all these deals that are gonna be closing in the next probably 7 or 8 days. And I thought, man, I should make a YouTube video about this and give people some indication of some other strategies that are out there to help you guys out. Check this out, I've got a 24 unit, so multifamily. If you're somebody who's interested in multifamily, owning cash flowing assets, especially with the upcoming downturn, owning multifamily is a good deal. I am buying this deal with the Morby method, okay? The Morby method is a creative finance strategy that I created, I invented, and we actually did a video all about this called How to Underwrite a Morby Method Deal, and my team will put a link in the description down below for that video. It's where I actually take this deal, this exact deal, and I underwrite and break it down where I will own 24 units with no money out of my pocket. So go watch that video. I then get a wholesaler, Tevin, who locks up a duplex in Myrtle Beach. So when people are talking about, I'm worried about the market, I'm worried about the upcoming shift. Well guys, I've got a seller finance deal at 2.11% interest right here that was wholesaled to me in Myrtle Beach. I'm gonna be turning that into an Airbnb. So guys, I would say go and watch how to wholesale a subject to deal and learn all of those strategies I have a video called All Creative Strategies, okay? Every creative finance strategy, my team will put it down below. I have a deal in Humble, Texas that is closing this week. That is a Subto deal, okay? Sent to me by a wholesaler, so I didn't have to cold call, I didn't have to text, I didn't have to do any of that stuff. Wholesaler sent me a Subto deal. Arlington, same thing. Wholesaler sent me a Subto deal, and if you are part of the NFT project, this is the first NFT house that was purchased creative finance. Pretty cool. We made history on that one. I've got a 5plex that is a cash deal. Now, here is what is important for this. This is one of the main reasons I wanted to make this YouTube video, is if you guys are running into deals where you need a loan sponsor or you need private money, send me an email, molly@americahomeoffers.com. So here's what I did. I actually helped this group of people get a loan for this property by utilizing my credit and my credentials and my bank balance, my P&L, all of those types of things to help you guys get loans. I am available to do that for you guys. Just make sure you email molly@americahomeoffers. We'll look at the deal and see if it's something we want to participate in. San Angelo, Texas. This is a seller finance, which is cool. 50-year note, which means the seller of this 40-unit deal in San Angelo, Texas is giving me 50 years of payments. What does that do? If you stretch the payments from 30 years to 50 years, that lowers the payment and heightens the cash flow. Pretty cool strategy there. We'll be talking about that in the All Creative Strategies YouTube video, link down below. Gibson, this is a deal that is Subto. Isn't it crazy how many creative finance deals I buy? And then I get people like, oh, there's no creative finance deals out there. Guys, like literally 80% of my deals are creative finance. Pretty dope. This was sent to me from a student, Sandy. So good job, Sandy. Hampton, this is a long-term BRRRR. So yes, guys, I do the BRRRR strategy. People get really mad about this, by the way. Some people like 4 R's. Those BRRRR people are very particular about how you spell BRRRR. Buy, renovate, rent, refinance, repeat. But sometimes this is the real thing, is that there is no repeat because you have a ton of money sunk into this deal. In fact, I feel like this was a decent deal, but we'll have $120,000 tied up into this deal. I brought the private money and I brought the loan. So guys, if you need a loan or you need help with some private money, email molly@americahomeoffers.com. We can help sponsor your loans, especially if you get turned down. This person brought this deal to us. It's actually Kelly, my media manager, brought the deal to us. We sponsored the loan. So guys, you need help, molly@americahomeoffers. Venturi, this is a flip. I have 0 money in this deal, but I sponsored the loan. Pretty cool. Who we get our money from is myinvestorloan.com. If you go to myinvestorloan.com and you get turned down, come back to us. Email molly@americahomeoffers and we will sponsor your loan, get it approved, and we'll do the deal together. Prather, same thing. Sponsored this. Wyoming, same thing. Sponsored that. Monroe, this is me. Bought this from a wholesaler. And anybody that wants to learn how to evict a tenant, we're going to be releasing some YouTube videos on Laura's channel all about how to evict a tenant who's been living in the same house for 60 years, 0 payments. Should be pretty cool. Now, 53-unit apartment complex. This is a cash deal that was brought to me. Jamil and I are doing this one together. Pretty freaking cool. So I'm utilizing a lot of strategies here, a lot of diverse strategy, okay? One of these strategies is sponsoring other people's deals, and that is called Gator lending. It's one of the 5 strategies inside of Gator lending. So if you guys want to watch some of the Gator lending training down below, there should be a link. My team needs to put a link down below so you guys know exactly what to do. But the main thing I wanted to do is to show you all of these deals that we have just closing in the next 10 days and how so many different strategies are being used. That is the reason why why you have to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, because these videos come out and we hit on each one of these with very finite and critical detail that you need to know in order to get these deals done. So guys, I'm gonna erase this board, okay? We got more deals coming in. I'm gonna erase this board. Next time you guys see this board, probably going to be filled up with other deals. So please send us a deal, Molly@AmericaHomeOffers. If you have one, if you need to get sponsored, if you guys wanna learn how to do Gator lending, the link down below will give you guys some resources. If you wanna learn about all these strategies in more detail with a little bit more information, there should be a link down below to all creative finance strategies. We'll see you in the next video.